How to create a brand awareness campaign on Facebook. In this video, I will show you step by step how to set up a brand awareness Facebook ad campaign to promote you and your business. We will talk about the biggest mistake people usually make when running brand awareness ads and why broad interest targeting will lose you money. I will show you where to find and how to use a simple stock photo ad that will maximize your reach and lower your ad spend by targeting specific audiences who are most likely to be interested in your business. And finally, I will show you the best copywriting to use for your ad, what to put in your primary text to convince people to take action. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! Most advertisers think brand awareness is just creating an ad about your brand and posting it everywhere to get people to care. Advanced advertisers know that brand awareness only works if you make your brand relevant to your target customer. And that is what we are going to do today. Target a specific profession and explain how our brand will improve their life. That means you need an image that people can immediately relate to. So a picture of yourself or your products will not do the job. The image you will be using will be a stock photo of the profession you are targeting. If you are targeting doctors, use a photo with smiling doctors. If you are targeting lawyers, use a photo with smiling lawyers. For this campaign, I will show you an example when I promoted my Instagram for business course to dentists. This is what our ad will look like. We are at the Ads Manager. Hit the Create button. Under Awareness, select Brand Awareness. Give your campaign a name. Since we're going to be targeting a specific profession, the profession should be in the name. I will call my campaign Insta Business BA Dentist. Then, give your ad set and add the same name for simplicity purposes. Hit Continue. We are now at the campaign level. Scroll to the bottom and make sure the campaign budget optimization is turned off because we want to control our budget at the ad set level. Click Next. We are now at the ad set level. Under Budget, put down $1. If you're wondering, whoa, really? June? Only $1 a day? Are you serious? Why such a small budget? The reason is a brand awareness campaign is all about constant reach. So the strategy is to leave this campaign running in the background for weeks and maybe even months. This is why you don't need to spend a lot. $30 per month is what we are going for. We are going to have Facebook continue to introduce your business to people day and night. Under Audience, you can start inputting the demographics of your target audience. Since we are targeting a very specific individual, their age must reflect their profession. I am targeting dentists, so I know for a fact that they need to be at least 30 years or older. There's no 18-year-old dentist, are there? Since I'm promoting a course, a service that will show them how to get more patients and more business, I don't want to target people who have been in their profession for more than 15 years. As in, I don't want to try and convince a 50-year-old dentist that he needs to improve his business. This is a psychology secret. People who have been at their job for a long time are stubborn and are not likely to be willing to change. Trying to convince them to do anything is going to be hard work. No, we would rather spend our energy and money targeting people who just started their profession and are looking for ways to grow and improve. Makes sense psychologically, right? So I will select an age range between 30 to 45. All genders. Once you get to the detailed targeting, you can consider starting with an education level targeting first. Type in doctorate degree. Yep, that's right. This is a new targeting option I'm introducing to you, and yes, it is another ice cream flavor. This is a demographic option that will immediately help you find professionals in their field. After that, you can narrow down and select the specific profession you are targeting. You can see when I select dentist, the potential reach goes down to 6,000 people. That's a very small sample size. So it's a good idea to include different kinds of specialties under the main profession. So when I start to add cosmetic dentistry, pediatric dentistry, restorative dentistry, and so on, the potential reach will increase. Since a brand awareness ad is very specific in its targeting, we do not need to aim for a 500K audience. We can go for around 20K or 30K is fine. Normally, under options, we will click connections and exclude people who currently like or follow our page. But since this is a brand awareness ad, we actually will leave these unchecked because we also want people who are familiar with your business to see this ad. The key is to constantly remind people that your business exists and is relevant. This also means under placements, this is one of those rare occasions where you will listen to Facebook's recommendation and keep the automatic placements selected. Because our goal is reach, as much reach as possible. You want this ad to be shown everywhere. Click Next to continue. We are now at the ad level. Make sure the page that will be hosting the ad is indeed what you want. Then upload the photo of your ad. Remember, a brand awareness campaign works best if it is customer focused. It's not about your products and services, but how you understand the customer. That's why we want to find an image that speaks directly to them. One of the best stock photography websites I like to go to for images is unsplash.com. We want to find an image that represents the positive side of their profession. Ideally, people wearing certain outfits related to the profession who are smiling towards the camera. The feeling we are going for is you want your target audience to say, "Hey, that's me and my career," when they see your ad. For me, I will use this image. Very positive and pleasant. On to the primary text. Here is an advanced copywriting secret. A way to capture a complete stranger's attention and make them want to read your copy is to praise them first. Compliment them on their work or how far they have come. For my example, I will start with something like, "You have an amazing practice and you have worked hard to get to where you are. You deserve more patience. Let's work together and use the power of social media to invite people to your office on autopilot. Grow your practice and influence at the same time without being tech savvy. Tap the photo and I'll show you how." Notice how I don't even mention my Instagram course or showed an image of what my course looks like? Why? Because nobody cares. A smart brand awareness ad is all about the customer. I have to show I understand them and care about them way before even mentioning my business. See how this works? Below the primary text, you see an option for you to add a website. If you do, people who tap your ad will go to the website. Otherwise, they will go to your Facebook page. The main difference between a traffic ad and a brand awareness ad is that for traffic campaigns, Facebook is showing your ad to people who are likely to click a link and leave Facebook. But for a brand awareness ad, the ad will be shown to all different kinds of people who don't necessarily have that tendency. So it is completely up to you if you want to send them to your website or not. If you do, make sure your website is a landing page and it is clear what you are offering and it is easy to opt in to your business. For me, I will leave this blank and just send people to my Facebook page. If you are sending people to a website, under tracking, make sure website events is checked and your Facebook pixel for that product or niche being promoted is selected. When done, hit publish. Congratulations! You just completed a very smart brand awareness campaign. Only a small percentage of people know how to run ads like this, and now you are part of it. Happy to have you on the team. So what do you think? What is your niche and what is your business about? Put it in the comment section and I will help you create the best ads to get you more brand awareness. Now that you know how to run a successful brand awareness campaign, let me show you how to run other profitable campaigns as well. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button because in the next episode, I will show you how to run advanced traffic campaigns and retargeting campaigns. See you in the next episode.